Well then, ladies and gentlemen, today is day 26, 27 of my road to consistency, and if you can't tell by my disappointed face, I already recorded this video, or at least I started, and turns out I didn't click the record button, so we're gonna have to restart everything. But today we have no news, basically, it's just yellow folder, nothing crazy. Um, I'm already, oh, that's not what I wanted. I'm already in a trade, but yeah, let's go ahead and analyze it and show why I took this trade. Oh, this is from yesterday. So for starters, Asia session ended up moving 97 points. We didn't get that much movement, but I'm targeting a lot because of my bias for today was bullish, and we ended up very bearish. So I'm targeting bullish. I also already took partial. Yeah, I already took partials. So we'll get into that in a second. Our London protraction phase kind of consolidated around 50 points. Didn't really do much. London delayed protraction, 144 points bullish. And then pre-AM trend bearish. So yeah. I'm targeting bullish. Very bullish. But at the... Sorry, I can't breathe. At the 30-minute fair value gap here, I took out half of my position in partials. 336 points, 336 ticks at $2.5 each. And then this is now dragged up to break even just because it is in the 50% of that level. After sweeping that high, we could easily come all the way down here, right? In fact, I actually think we might close out soon. But yeah, I mean, we don't have to close out soon, actually. I could just wait for it. But I do want to see 336 times 2.5. Let's see, that's like 500, 600 profit. 800, 840 in profit. Right now, we're going to see how this candle moves. I think pop one of these real quick. Pop a piece of gum. Pop a piece of gum. Depending on how this candle closes, it'll determine how I close. Not a great close. Not really at all. What I'm going to do, if we get down to this again, I'll be closed out. Actually, yeah. Okay. So we close out there. 142 times the remaining 2.5. 355 plus 840. 1195 is what I made on the day. So now I'm waiting. Oh yeah, that entry, by the way, was at this fair value gap. It was first presentation. And I saw this retrace, so that is nasty. Disgusting candle movement. I think we can definitely take a short, but I kind of want to wait for us to hit some form of um like entry point, some form of PD array. That's the word I was looking for. What I want to see is this. Oh wow, actually, we have a lot of SMTs back and forth, to be honest with you. Um, because Nasdaq. No, this isn't S&P. Yeah, I was about to say. Nasdaq swept Asian and London lows. S&P 500 didn't sweep any lows. We only took out highs. Dow Jones took out every high, including all-time highs. Yeah, including all-time highs. Um, S&P 500 and Nasdaq are still both really struggling to get to the all-time high. That's not even all-time highs. That's just highs. Yeah, cause yeah. Hmm. And then I was targeting this, but I should have targeted just to tap into the fair value gap, to be honest. But right now it's kind of scary because Dow Jones did take out all-time highs. We are within liquidity now. We have an SMT right here. Nasdaq and S&P 500 took out their high, but Dow Jones didn't. Now I see that this candle is pretty strong. I don't even think I should enter off of this. It's a little confusing right now because of those SMTs. Because Dow Jones took out highs, Nasdaq took out lows, S&P didn't take out anything. Really. Had I been in back here, I would have been able to take those longs. Wait, I'm on S&P 500 again. Back here, I would have been able to take in those longs. Um, but wait, I was in there. No, I was in a little back here. But yeah, I was in around this time. I thought that was like 8:30. No, that was 9:30. Okay. So yeah, I'm not that tripping. I'm fine. I'm just waiting now. I think best move I can do is definitely wait, but I am up 1195 right now, which is not too bad. Yep, and that's why I waited. This would have given me some crazy high cortisol had I held. It would have definitely given me some high cortisol if I held this. But um I could have probably held it. Maybe. This might just be a retracement so we can go lower. But yeah, I mean I wouldn't be surprised. But I do want us to end up bullish on the day. We're just doing I don't like Dow Jones at all. We just do some random BS on Dow Jones. Um they do look like they're going more bullish. Oh, my back is so itchy. God damn. Yeah, wait, look pretty bullish, but I just don't know. Kind of unsure. I should have been paying attention during this time, though, because I might have been able to catch a little bit. Get in here. Take profit right here. It's whatever, though. I'm already up on the day. I mean, it is London close time, so kind of easy to tell that it's going to consolidate and do very slow movements. And I'm hungry as shit. How long have I been recording? I don't want to end off the recording if it's only been like 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. That's the only thing is, fuck, I'm so mad that I didn't click record. I swear I clicked record, but I checked it back earlier and it said streaming. I accidentally clicked start streaming, which is crazy because I don't even have any stream linked to my OBS, so I don't know why it would start streaming. Oh, I thought that was the garbage disposals or the garbage truck. I was about to say that's early, but yeah, I don't know. I don't have anything connected to my OBS, so I don't know why it started streaming. And it was showing the red dot too, so I thought I was good, and I was like, oh, let me check my mic. I check my mic, it's working. I look over, it says streaming instead of recording. GG's. So I was streaming for a good 10 to 15 before I started actually recording. Kind of lame, but whatever. Yeah, this is why I didn't want to take any longs. Because, unfortunately, price looks like it's going to do a lot of bullshit today. To be honest, I already caught mine. I might try to catch a trade again later. If I do, I'll see if I can record it with the trade journal. But I'm probably gonna record it while I eat lunch because the London close session is usually my least favorite to sit through. Sometimes it'll have good movements, right? But usually I'm already in a trade for those. And if not, then I'm in pretty early for those, like pretty early within London close. But if London close does this at the very beginning, it's just gonna be hell to sit through. Um, so yeah, I might be back at like maybe 11 p.m. Um, open up a trade and then go eat lunch and hopefully come back in time to record a trade journal. If the trade is still going on, then hopefully it is still going on. But if not, um, yeah, whatever. But if I don't take a trade, I don't take a trade. I'm already up 11.95 on the day so far. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end off the day there. I was gonna say something, but I just lost my train of thought entirely. Whoa! I just saw 8:30. What is this? What is this random ass jump? All right. But yeah. So I will see everybody in the trade journal in a couple of hours.